The Ant and the Grasshopper. One warm sunny day, a grasshopper was bounding through the fields. He was happy and sang and song as he jumped. As he got tired, he decided to lay down on a warm rock in the sunshine and watch the cloud. Just then, an ant passed by, working very hard to carry an ear to corn to his nest. The grasshopper was enjoying his day that he called to the ant, "Hey, why are you working so hard? It's a beautiful day. Come and join the sunshine with me." The ant called back, "We need to store for the winter. It's not so many days. It will be cold and we will be hungry." The grasshopper thought that was silly. "Why, there's plenty of food," he cried. He went back to lazing in the sunshine. The ant shook his head and went back to work. The next day, it was sunny, and Grasshopper decided to visit the riverside. He bounded from leaf to leaf over the ripe school. The grasshopper called out again, "Hello, friend. Why are you working so hard today? Come sit in the shade and enjoy the sound of river." Once again, the ant refused. "These pretty days are not so many, grasshopper soon. The cold will come. We must be ready." The ant returned to his work. On the third day, when the grasshopper awake, the sun was not shining, it was not warm. Winter had come overnight and the ground was frozen and covered with snow. The grasshopper shivered as he looked for food to eat. He found nothing. He walked for hours through the snow, searching for food and shelter. As he walked, he passed the ant nest. Inside, he saw ants warm and happy and sharing a delicious looking meal. It was then that he understood that the ant was right all along. Not all days are sunny. The ant turned and saw the grasshopper freezing and hungry. He felt pity for the poor grasshopper. "Come, friend," he called. "There is room here, and there is a food. I've saved enough for many seasons. Come in and eat." And so the grasshopper was welcomed into the ant's home, and the ant preparation kept the ant his family, and the grasshopper warm and fed the whole winter long.